Hi friends, welcome to a new video. This video is on an SME IPO. SME means small and medium sized enterprises IPO. The company name is Rex Pipes and Cables. It is a Rajasthan based company. They are manufacturing PVC pipes and cables. They are coming out with an IPO for rupees 6.24 crores. That means they are selling 24 lakhs of their fresh shares to the market. I am your Sanil Perandota. After watching this video, please like it and put your comments. If you are not so far subscribed the video, please do that and press the bell button. Okay, let's go to the video. To the new investors, let me tell you that SME IPOs are not like main board IPOs. In SMEs, lot size of shares will be large. Here it is 4,000. Minimum application size is only 15,000 rupees in main board IPOs, but it is more than a lakh in SMEs. But investors are showing great interest in SMEs, especially institutions. Retailers should be very careful about the market lot. You have to deal in this large market lot even in secondary market. Sometimes you may face liquidity problem due to this. Okay, now let us move to the video. This company is incorporated in the year 2002, Rex Pipes and Cables Industries Limited. They are engaged in trading and manufacturing of PVC pipe, HDPE pipes, cables and fittings under the Rex brand name. The brand name of this company is Rex and it is situated in Sikar, Rajasthan. The website is given here. Okay. Actually, they are having wide range of products, including three core flat cables, PVC and HDPE pipes, single core flexible homeware, HDPE and sprinklers, and cable that are used by different industries. That is agriculture, power, construction, and other engineering areas. Their manufacturing unit at Sikar in Rajasthan is having very modern facilities. The company is undertaking manufacturing and fabrication of bus bodies under a brand name of Rex Coaches. The total capacity is 600 buses per year. Buses means different types of buses for the passenger transport industry. That is city buses, school buses, intercity coaches, executive buses, commercial road container trucks, etc. Several types of buses. The main promoters of this company is Mr. Sharvan Kumar Kaler and Mrs. Sohani Devi. Their pre-issue shareholding is 84.65% shares. Post-issue shareholding is not known now. Pre-issue shareholding is 84.65%. As an SME type company, they are raising only 6.24 crores from the market. But for what purpose they are raising this fund? That is an important point to the investors. In the prospectus submitted in the exchange, they are mentioning three reasons. That is partly finance the working capital requirements, then meet general corporate purpose, and to meet issue expenditure. These are the main three reasons for using this fund. Though it is an SME company, the company is having a strong presence in their area of activities. What are the strengths of this company? Rex Group Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of PVC pipes and fittings, a prominent manufacturer of bus bodies, that is school buses, tourist buses, sleeper coaches, etc. Geographically diversified presence with a domestic sell across different states of India and export to Nepal. Then diversified product portfolio and strong brand identity, a strategically located manufacturing facility in Rajasthan. These are some of the strongholds of the company. Now let's see the financials of this company. The figures are given in lakhs from March 2018 to March 2020. Then for 10 months figure is also given here. See, this is the total assets. Last year, that means March 2020, the figure was 3,382.79 lakhs, and now it is means January 2021, the figure is 3,811 lakhs. Then revenue is also increasing constantly. It was 3,704.94 in March 2019, and it became 3,206 in 2020, and now in 10 months it is 4,438.80. Then the profit after tax, it was 77.50 in March 2020, and in 10 months it is 100.66 lakhs. That shows a very good improvement in their financials. Yes, friends, Rex Pipes and Cables issues main points once again. The issue opens on 28th July and closing on August 2nd. It is a fixed price issue, not a book building type issue. There is no cut-off price. Per share, here it is fixed 26 rupees per share. Face value is 10 rupees. And the main point is that here is a market lot is there. Market lot is 4,000. Minimum shares to be applied is 4,000 shares, and in secondary market, when it is listed in the stock exchanges, there also the market lot size is there. You have to buy in 4,000 shares, 4,000 or its multiples. So that is a main point. You have to understand that. Then it is going to list in NSE SME. NSE emerged, that special platform for SME shares. There the issue size is 24 lakhs shares. They are selling 24 lakh shares for rupees 6.24 crores. Okay. As this is an SME IPO, a retailer can apply only a single lot of shares. Single lot means that lot itself is very large. Here it is 4,000. 4,000 shares at the rate of 26 means 1 lakh 4,000 rupees. How to apply for a SME IPO? The process is as same as the main board IPO. For the new investors, here you can click on the I button and watch my video on the online share application. The registrar to the issue is KFintech Private Limited, and lead manager is Navigant Corporate Advisors Limited. Friends, this is all about Rex Pipes and Cable SME IPO. If you like this video, please like it and put your comments. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do that and press the bell button to get notifications. We will meet again soon. Till then, bye.